There's a total of 10 problems. Every problem, the first few problems are very straightforward, test your knowledge in terms of the methods that we learned in class. The second part of the homework is starting at problem number 6 is going to be application tasks. That's going to be similar to the exercises that you did in class today. For example, the product code verifier, the email verifier. So these are real application scenarios where you could use these string methods for. So these answer your question in terms of, okay, I'm learning this, but when and where and how do I use these in real life? And your application tasks are the answers to that question. Each question to take you between 15 to 20 minutes if you're shaky on the subject, but if you know what you're doing, you should finish the entire homework within 60 minutes. Try to do the homework today so you don't forget what you just learned today. But always use the resources available to you, including your session notes, the notes that you copy down, the lesson notes that I posted, and recording video as well. Okay, a lot of my students find it very helpful to watch the recording at least a couple times after the class. So this is the benefit of an online class. You get to watch the recording to relearn the subject. If I'm going too fast, use the recording to slow it down. Okay, cool. So any question before I let everybody go? All right, cool. You're free to leave. I'll see you guys next week. Be here on time.